Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the light balance or brightness on photo on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the gallery app. Next, in gallery, open up a picture that you want to change the light balance, and then go down and tap on the edit button. Next, tap on the tone button, and in here you can select light balance, and then tap on the slider bar at the bottom to the left. So move the slider bar to the left to make it darker, or move it to the right to increase the light balance. If you want to change the brightness of a picture, tap on brightness button, and then again use the slider and slide to the right to make it brighter, or slide it to the left to make it darker. And that's it. That is how you can change the light balance or the brightness of a photo on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now don't forget to tap on the save button at the top to save the changes. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.